Just take Matthew 5 verse 6 with Amplified Classic.
Matthew chapter 5 verse 6 with Amplified Classic. Blessed,
Blessed,
fortunate,
fortunate,
and happy,
and happy,
futhi uthokozile
and spiritually prosperous,
and spiritually prosperous.
futhi aphumelele
Blessed
ngokamoya
and
busekile
happy
Jabulile.
and spiritually prosperous.
ophumelele nakamoya.
Let's go.
blessed, fortunate, and happy, and spiritually prosperous in that state.
In that state, it
Kulelo
means
mumo
it's a state.
kusho ukuthi ileso
It's
simo
a
umumo
state. It's a state of prospering spiritually,
Isimo
being
sokuthi
blessed, being happy.
ubusiseke
It's a
futhi
state.
uthokoze umumo
Yini umumo. It means awuyuzama umumo. It's a
Yeah,
state that you are in.
ile umumo ukuwo
Let's go.
In that state, in which the born again child of God enjoys his favor and salvation, are those who hunger,
It's a state where a born again child of God enjoys
yilapho umzalwane ozelwe kabusha thokoza khona
his
athokozela
favor. He's not
umusa
praying for
wakhe.
favor. He
Akakhulela-
enjoys. It's a
uyawuthokozela
state
umumo
where favor is
lapho
given.
umusa ukunikezwe khona
Favor is not prayed for,
umusa
not
ukhulekelwa
fasted for, but you
ayawuzileli
are in a state where you enjoy
lapho uthokozela khona
favor.
umusa
because it's what? It's a state.
ngoba umumo
Let's go.
in that state in which the born again child of God
In
enjoys
which the born again child of.
lapho umntwana kaNkulunkulu azelwe kabusha
Let's
khona
get it now. It doesn't say you are going to pray.
ayithi uyokhuleka
It's what you must enjoy
yilo kufanele
as a born
ukuthokozela
again.
njengomntwana
Child of
ozelwe
God.
kabusha
Let's go.
kaNkulunkulu
in that state in which the born again child of God enjoys his favor
Enjoys his favor
athokozela umusa wakhe
and salvation.
and salvation.
nensindiso
Salve the belt
insindiso
of.
ibhande leqiniso
Are those who hunger
Now we are going to spiritual calcium now.
yeah
It starts with salvation, the belt,
Nensindiso,
the belt of
leqiniso.
truth. Let's go.
leqiniso
are those who hunger
You are born again.
uzelwe
You are
kabusha
enjoying favor.
uthokozela umusa
You are
wakhe
spiritual prosperous.
uyaphumelela
But it says
ngokamoya
now there must be hunger.
ithi kufanele balambe
There must be
kufanele
hunger.
balambe
Let's go.
are those who hunger
Are those who hunger
ila balambele
and thirst
and thirst
futhi bomele
for righteousness.
for righteousness.
ukulunga
What is righteousness?
yini ukulunga na
Meaning righteousness is
Kusho
not
ukuthi
just a garment or a right standing with
asikubo
God.
nje
It's a state where one
Umumo.
eats from
lapho
God.
omunye adla khona kuNkulunkulu
Where one eats from.
adla kuNkulunkulu
Meaning if you are in a right standing with God,
kusho ukuthi mawume kahle
you
noNkulunkulu
are hungry
Kusho
and
ukuthi ulambele
thirsty for his righteousness.
futhi uomele ukulunga
As you
kwakhe
enjoy his favor,
usathokozela
you are
umusa
more
wakhe
hungry for him,
ulambela
thirsty
kakhulu
for his
ubonela
righteousness.
kakhulu uomele ukulunga
Let's go. You get so kusho ukuthi righteousness. Ukudla. And besikaza nje righteousness, okay, nangilambele ngiwomele yini? Calcium. Where do we
So-
find righteousness?
sithola lapho ukulunga na
The breastplate.
hey
Blessed are those who are hungry for the breast.
labalambele ibele
Those who are hungry for the
abalambele
breast
ibele
of righteousness.
lokulunga
Let's go.
Are those who hunger and thirst for righteousness, uprightness,
Uprightness
and,
Asemeni kahle.
and right standing with God.
and right standing with God.
nasekulungeni
So they must be hungry and thirsty
fanele balambe futhi
for that
bawomele
breast, for that spiritual milk.
lebisi likamoya
The more they are hungry for that,
ngaleso sikhathi abantu
these are people who are spiritually prosperous.
labo abantu abaphumelelile
Psalms
ngokamoya
92, they will flourish.
athi
They will do what?
bazoqhakaza
They will flourish.
bazoqhakaza
And they will be planted in the house of God.
futhi beyotshalwa endlini kaNkulunkulu
Meaning anyone
kusho ukuthi noma ubani
who is not in this state,
ongekho kulumumo
they can never be thirsty for God's righteousness.
angeke baze bakulambele futhi bakomele ukulunga
One
kaNkulunkulu
can have the mindset, I'm favored by God.
yeah ngithola umusa
Yet you are not in this state.
kanti awukho kulomumo
Sikubona ngani? Awulambelanga ukulunga. Mara utusemuseni. Uthudla in ifavor. But when we look at it, no, lo muntu akalambelanga uNkulunkulu. Ah, uNkulunkulu umfavorile unginikeza imoto. But if we search for righteousness,
uma ufuna ukulunga
we don't see that.
asikuboni lo.
Meaning you are satisfied by a car.
Kusho ukuthi uneliswe imoto nje.
You are satisfied by a job.
Uneliswe umsebenzi.
Not by righteousness.
Hayi ukulunga.
Not by
Kungasukulunga.
righteousness. It means you are not in a good state
Kusho ukuthi ukhema umeno kahle
with God.
noNkulunkulu.
Even when akunikezile le moto, but awumanga kahle. I'll take you back to the story of the Israelites. Ne? You must look at this.
Fanele kubheni lo.
Uyabakhipha eEgypt. Uhamba nabo. Bajwayele ini? Inyama, ne? Nama onion. Bayakhala bathina sikhumbule ini? Ama onion. uNkulunkulu banika imana. That manna was to teach them one thing.
Leyo mana beyibafundisa into eyodwa nje.
Satisfaction.
Ukuneliseka.
Righteousness. Bahluleka.
Ukulunga.
Now we find God ukuthi okay no yazini ngizonisa to the promised land.
Yeah,
Nginise
ngizonisa
eKhanani endaweni ebisi.
Yeah.
Ufuna ukubabuyisela estate sabantwana manje.
Yeah.
Nidle kakhulu inyama mari ngihamile. You did not achieve the state of righteousness.
Azange ngithole umumo wokulunga.
You can find yourself having that mindset.
Ungazithola ukuleyo ngqondo.
Having that mindset.
Unaleyo
Thinking
ngqondo.
you are matured spiritually.
Ucabanga ukuthi
Yet you
ukhulile
have
ngokamoya.
left the breast.
Kanti ushiya ibele.
Speaking revelations.
Ukhuluma izambulo.
But lama revelations okuhama at the end. You get it, ne? Why did God take them back and say, I'm going to take you back to the promised land?
Kungani uNkulunkulu athi ngizonibuyisela ezweni lesithembiso na.
The promised land
Izwe
kunebisi
lesithembiso.
nehani.
Yeah.
Suthi bangasuka enyameni bophuza ibisi. Wena ungajabulela ukuphuza ibisi. It's spiritual.
Yeah, kukumoya.
Bebadla ini? Inyama. Uthi nophuza ini?
Ibisi.
It's spiritual. It's a mystery uNkulunkulu bekabakhomba ukuthi niyona hambula lapha. Niyona buyisele ebuntwaneni. You get it? Niyona buyisela ku. You're going to be babies again.
Niyoba bantwana.
Because animunyanga kimi. Nabanani but anikamunye. Aningilambelanga mina. Nilambele ini? Ukuye siswini. You get the mystery now? So God had to humble them.
uNkulunkulu wafanele abathobise.
Ayibafundisa ukuthi no, manifika lapha akusayoba nenyama, akusayoba nebisi. Nojabulela ini? Honey and
Nebisi.
okay. Okay, asenze so. Iya ku Ezekiel chapter 3, ne? Ngifuna verse 3, but take it from verse 1.
Ezekiel wesithathu.
uNkulunkulu angakuyeka yazi ubambe ube nama revelations, ube namaphupho amahle nama vision amahle. Awubona ukuthi udla amathambo nenyama. Kanti hey ukude awuphuzanga from the righteousness.
Yeah, ekulungeni.
Anyone who's filled by righteousness,
Noma uba nokugcwaliswe
they are
ngokulunga.
spiritually prosperous. They don't
Baphumelela
drop.
ngokamoya.
They don't drop. There's no time where you see them going down.
Nasikhathi usubabona
If you
bashona
go
phansi.
down, you eat
Umshona
meat
phansi.
and it does not digest.
Azange igaye kahle esiswini.
You ate meat as long as
Inyama.
Bobby Sisu.
Yeah.
Now, parallel, bloated. Ufuna indawo yokuzikhulula wazi ukuthi ungazikhulula njani. Phuza yonke lento. Mara sisu sifasile. Yeah. So many people, that's how they live.
Phila njani
Thinking,
abantu
ngikhulile, ngibambile. Wait.
abalinda.
Wait.
Ayilinda.
That's why I said it Sunday, don't be quick.
Yithi ungasheshi ungajahi.
Wait, you will see that
Uzobona. Uthi cha.
until you reach the state of righteousness,
Emumweni okulunga.
until we see you spiritually prosperous,
Lapho sikubona khona sophumelela
going
ngokamoya.
through a lot of things,
Udlula entweni
but we see
eziningi.
the spirit flowing.
Sibona umoya wona
This is a
uphuphuma.
person who has eaten and drank from righteousness.
Waphuza ekulungeni.
Their salvation is
Insindiso yabo
complete.
iphelele.
And salvation is not completed by meat.
Insindiso ayipheleliswa inyama nje.
It's the milk that completes your righteousness.
Ibisi eliphelelisa
As ukhula uthatha ama steps. Ibalance yakho siyibona usakhulu ukuthi lo mntwana akakholanga uqinile.
Yeah.
Asikulini ukuthi hamba udla inyama bese uyahamba. Sithi ibisi. Maqala suma uze bathi awu strong yo.
Yeah.
Ushaya 10 step namuhla. Now we have hope ukuthi lo mntwana uqinile.
Yeah.
Wena udla inyama na uthi uyasukuma. Then uthi mina ngiyakwazi ukuluma kanti akuna next. The steps of the righteous
Izinyathelo
are
zolungileyo.
ordered by the Lord.
Zilawulwa
So if we see disorder on your step,
Masibona nje kungalawuleki.
you rush from meat and you left milk.
Gijimele inyama washibisi.
Because imagine, but you are a prophet,
Zomprofeti.
but when problems come,
Makuze
we see
izinkinga.
disorder.
Sibona ukungalawuleki.
But you've been preaching.
Yeah, shumayela.
Huh? You've been preaching, but makuze izinkinga sibone disorder. Meaning anyone obekayodla lento ikhulumayo bekadla ukufa. And that's how a lot of Christians die.
Ingendlela amaKristu amaningi afa ngayo
Spiritually.
ngokamoya.
People who have not yet eaten this kind of food,
Abaningi bangasengakalidlanga lokudla
they are
lokhu.
preaching, but there's no nutrition.
Kodwa yikho nje umsoco
In
nezakhamzimba.
what they are saying, there's no nutrition.
Kuloko abakushoya
It's just a plain teaching
Ifundiso nje
without
ezijwayelekile
proteins or nutrition.
ezingenazo
Meaning it
izakhamzimba
cannot nurture the
nomsoco.
child in you.
Kusho ukuthi azikwazi ukumkhulisa lo
It
mntwana
kills the
phakathi.
child.
Ziyambulala lo mntwana.
It kills them.
Ziyambulala lo mntwana.
And abaningi baba they under the impression yokuthi basindisiwe. Kanti umuntu ushumayela insindiso yokukuthusela. Ukuthi usukume lapha esithulweni. Ngiyazinikela namuhla. Mara now check, there was no nutrition, there was fear.
Ngekho. Bekunokusaba.
Umntwana umfundisa ukuhamba ngomthusela. You give the child milk.
Umnikeza ibisi.